Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Patra from IMB Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and today I am going to tell you about the recent judgment where a typographical error helped the man to acquittal the case. So it is a case of Madras High Court where a man was acquitted by the trial court because the word semen, that is SEMEN, was written as semen, that is SEMMAN, which means red soil in Tamil. So this helped the man to acquittal the case and he was free almost for 3 years. So the bench of Justice P. Murugan was hearing an appeal filed by the woman against the acquittal of an accused of sexually harassing her daughter. The daughter was of 2 years only. So this case is of 2017 when that lady left her daughter to the neighbor and went to for the grocery shopping, and when she returned the daughter was not there. So when she called her name 2 to 3 times, the neighbor came and just gave the daughter to the mother and they left immediately. So when that girl came to the house, she was crying and she just said that she is having a pain in her private part. So the mother observed that there were white stain on her clothes and her undergarments, and then the next day the pain continued, and then the mother took her daughter to the hospital, and then a medical checkup was held, and it was confirmed that the girl was the victim of sexual assault, and then the complaint was registered under the POSCO Act, and the hearing was done in the trial court, but the POSCO court acquitted the man and said that the prosecution has failed to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt. So then the mother filed the case in Madras High Court, and the court set aside the judgment of the trial court and punished the accused for life imprisonment. And the court order that was of 2 July 2021 revealed that how the defense counsel took the advantage of the typographical error, as in the petition submitted by the women's counsel the word semen SEMEN was written as semen SEMMAN, which means red soil in Tamil. So the defense said that the mother saw the red soil on the undergarments and clothes of the woman but not the white stain, and that is why the man was acquitted by the trial court. But the court observed that the complaint to the police the complaint in the police station clearly shows that the woman, that is the mother, saw the white stain on the private part of the girl and as well as on her undergarments, and the color noted that subsequently the word semen in English was typed as semen, that is SEMMAN, which means red soil in Tamil, and the court said that the document clearly shows that there is a white color fluid drop from the private part of the victim child and also the inner garments of the victim child. And Justice P. Vilguram further said, hence it is a danger in writing an English word in Tamil, which has totally turned the case of prosecution, and admittedly the defense side has taken defense. Also the doctor who medically examined her had said that 2-year-old was sexually assaulted, and the court set aside the order of trial court and gave the accused the punishment of life imprisonment. The court said that this is a case the victim is not able to speak anything, so the child's mother has all the power, and her statement will be considered further. And further the court said that the court will rely upon the mother statement, and if the child cannot speak, it doesn't mean that the culprit will be out of the clutches of law. So this was a recent judgment where a typographical error led to the accused was acquittal because of a typographical error. So as a lawyer we should always be aware about all these things, and we should draft our any notice, document, application with utmost attention. So this is it for the video, and if you have any doubt you can comment me down below, and also like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.